Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn any photo into a cool retro illustration using the DreamFace app. It's super quick, beginner friendly, and best of all, you can do it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the DreamFace, and if you don't already have it, just go ahead to Google Play Store and then download it. And once installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace also give you a free weekly credits so you can try out filters without paying. Next, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters and then just scroll down until you find stylistic paintings, this one, stylistic painting sections, and then just look for retro illustrations, this one, just tap on it. This is the filter we will use to give your photo that nostalgic vintage look illustrations. Next, just select the photo that you want to transform. You can choose a selfie, a portrait, or even a random picture from your gallery. And once selected, just tap on Animate. And okay, like this, you have got your retro illustrations, and I think the result is super cool. And if you want to download it, just tap on the download button and then you can share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? Just try it out and give your photo a retro vibe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.